You won't believe what hackers just did, the world's biggest company. I just installed Kali Linux on a high performance setup. Stick with me on Hackers Code Academy and watch exactly how I did it. First, we need to check the CPU, memory, disk, SSD, Ethernet and GPU, and whether virtualization is enabled or not. After that, we will go to VirtualBox. Just type in Google, then we will download it by clicking the download action. Before proceeding, we should review our PC setting. Once VirtualBox is downloaded, we will perform the necessary action on the Windows host. So make sure everything on the PC is ready before starting the download. We don't want to start the process without checking the setting first. Now we are going to allocate 16 GB of RAM and 6 CPU cores with 100 GB of storage. Essentially, creating a powerful virtual PC, we will name it Kali Linux. The operating system will be Linux and the distribution will be Debian. And the OS version will be Debian 64-bit. If your PC only supports 32-bit, you can select that. But my PC supports 64-bit, so I am choosing 64-bit. Next, all default features that are disabled need to be configured. For example, enable bi-directional clipboard so that you can copy and paste everything. Now we will set the video memory of 151 MB and the number of virtual monitor will be 1 and enable to 3D acceleration as well. For storage, select the folder space. This is where you will attach the ISO file I saved on my local disk C in the name of Kali Linux folder. The installation will continue from here. During setup, we will set the username Alex and we will choose a password, which is mine. Now you need to set the country and configure the clock time zone. After installation, we will perform the system updates and that's it. Just wait and setup will complete.